Welcome to the DMX Core 100 tech demo. Today I'm going to unbox the product and quickly show how it's mounted and hooked up. The DMX Core 100 is delivered in a protective foam with a bezel and mounting bracket already attached. First I'm removing the bezel. I've sped up the video a little bit so you don't have to watch me unscrew all the 4 screws. With the bezel removed, you can see the rotary encoder and the light pipe for the indicator. Be careful with the light pipe as it can easily come off. We're now going to remove the metal bracket, which is a part that you attach directly to the electrical box. You can't see it in the video here, but the 4 screws that hold the bezel are countersunk, and the ones that hold the bracket are flat. Be careful to use the correct screws when you assemble it back together. Here I show you how to hook up the network cable and mount the unit back onto the bracket. In this section, I attach it to the desk stand, but it looks the same when attached to an electrical box. The desk stand is primarily used for demos and during development by integrators. Now all that's left is to reattach the 4 screws that secure the unit to the bracket, followed by the bezel. The multiple parts allow for quick and easy removal of the unit, plus the bezel can quickly be replaced if it's damaged. I hope you have enjoyed this quick demonstration. The DMX Core 100 is in stock and you can order yours in our web store today. We also have a special program for resellers on this product. Please contact us for more information.